Boost your online business right away with GPT-powered solutions. Picture this: posting regularly on social media without the stress, creating SEO-friendly content with ease, and connecting with potential clients in a meaningful way. It's all about making your business run more smoothly, saving you time, and helping you get more done without feeling overwhelmed. Meet AI Entrepreneur Fortune. It's your ultimate business booster kit, designed to take any online venture to the next level. With custom business assistant GPT tools and a year-round social growth system, you'll have everything you need to succeed. AI Entrepreneur Fortune, your new GPT-powered team that makes everyday tasks a breeze, crafts awesome content, and boosts your business growth without breaking a sweat. It's all about reaching success quicker and with way less hassle. With AI Entrepreneur Fortune, you get a killer set of tools to make running your business a breeze. Turn your free ChatGPT account into a powerhouse for growth. Keep your socials buzzing with a year's worth of awesome posts, complete with Canva templates for that personal touch. Whip up ebooks to show off your skills, snag leads, and build authority in any niche. Effortlessly create SEO-friendly articles to boost any site's ranking. Instantly craft website copy that grabs attention and write cold emails that get responses without breaking a sweat. Nail those freelance proposals to grow your client base and improve Google business profiles for better local visibility. Enhance every message and email with professionalism while staying motivated with personalized insights for personal growth. Quickly generate legal pages to keep everything legit online and churn out unique social media content effortlessly. Plus, you can offer these services to clients thanks to the included commercial license. Backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee for total peace of mind. Boosting your online business with AI Entrepreneur Fortune is a breeze. Here's how. Step 1. Dive right in and set up your toolkit. Just a few clicks and you're in. You'll get access to awesome AI-powered GPT tools and pre-made social posts. No fuss, no muss. Everything's ready to go so you can start making your business run smoother right away. Step 2. Let AI handle the daily grind. Use the GPT tools from AI Entrepreneur Fortune for everyday stuff like creating content, reaching out to clients, or writing proposals. Whether it's crafting unique social media posts or sending out slick cold emails, these tools handle the nitty-gritty so you can focus on growing your biz. Step 3. Keep your audience hooked all year long. Effortlessly engage your followers with a whole year of social media content that comes with customizable Canva templates. Post on Facebook, Instagram, X, you name it. And keep building your brand while expanding your audience all year round. You definitely don't want to miss this chance. Kick off your adventure with AI Entrepreneur Fortune today. Just click the link below to sign up for exclusive access and see your business grow like never before.